Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to search same train alternate in Confirmtkt app. First, click on the Confirmtkt icon and search for the train. And select the date. Click on Book Tickets. Here, the list appear means the train list. So, I'll click on train number 16535. Before clicking, you can see there is one glowing bulb. This means it's showing the same train alternate. So I'll click on 3A. As you can see, on 30 April is showing one ALT and the glowing bulb. It means it have one alternate option. And on 5th May, it's showing 2 ALT and glowing bulb. It means it has 2 alternate option. So first, I'll check for I'll check for 30 April. Here you can see it's showing an alternate. In this, by seeing this, you can understand that you have to travel from KSR to Haveri, but you are not getting the seat availability. So, you can book a ticket from Mysore till Haveri and choose a boarding point at KSR Bangalore. And we have given an option to book a ticket. So just click on book for rupees 845 and it will redirect you to IRCTC page. Now we'll see the second option. This no seat, please try other alternate means the alternate will not have confirmed ticket, so it will not show you the alternate. This I have already shown you. This is how you can find your same train alternate. Thank you.